Not tomorrow, not when you feel ready, but today, right now. So it all begins with one thing, that is your commitment. Believe that you can do, and I'll strive hard to solve the problem by your terms. The only thing that you have to do is pay your attention towards this video till the end, and definitely you will be benefited. And let's get started with today's topic, that is our non exact differential equation. So, in order to get the solution here, we are going to use the integrating factor 1 by mx plus ny. See here, whenever it is non-exact and whenever it is a homogeneous differential equation, so we use obviously the integrating factor 1 by mx plus ny. So here are the few questions which are very important. So I'll solve and please follow. And the first question here is 3xy square minus y cube dx is equal to 2x square y minus xy square dy. So here, whenever if a question flashes on the screen, so we have to note that it is of the form m dx plus n dy. So I'll bring this term to inside and see. So this can be written as 3xy square minus y cube into dx minus. So if I bring it inside, this will be 2x square y minus xy square dy is equal to 0. So now this is of the form m dx plus n dy. So this question is of the form now m dx plus n dy is equal to 0. So this value is m and this value is n. So here, what is the m value here? So m value is very clear as this is 3xy square minus y cube. And what is n here? This is minus 2x square y minus of minus plus xy square. So if I make a derivative with respect to y for m, that is dou m by dou y. So this will be 6xy minus 3y square. So if I make a derivative with respect to x for n, so this will be minus 4xy, and for x it is 1. So the value here is y square. As you can see, both are not equal. So when dou m by dou y is not equal to dou m by dou x, then we say that the given equation is a non-exact equation. Clear? So whenever it is a non-exact differential equation, there are 5 types of solution methods. So if you observe the question here, so if you see the question here, throughout the variables are equally distributed. There are 3 variables here, 3 variables here, 3 and 3. And therefore, I am going to choose mx1 by mx plus ny. For that, I have to calculate mx plus ny. So what is mx plus? If I calculate 1 by mx plus ny, see, this will be x times of m. So what is m here? This is 3xy square minus y cube plus y times of mx plus ny. What is n here? This is minus 2x square y plus xy square. So if I multiply, this will be 3x square y square minus xy cube, and if I multiply, this will be minus 2x square y square, and this value is x square, this is y cube. So this is x into y cube. So there is no x square here, xy cube. So plus xy cube and minus xy cube got cancelled, and 3x square minus 2x square y square value is nothing but x square. This is y square. So now the integrating factor here value is, so 1 by mx plus ny. So 1 by mx plus ny value is nothing but 1 by this value is x square y square. Now if I multiply equation 1 with an integrating factor, so if I multiply equation 1 with the integrating factor, this non-exact will be turns into exact differential equation. Clear? So this is going to become exact differential equation. So what is equation 1? Equation 1 is nothing but the question. So if I multiply with the integrating factor, see, observe here. So this is the question here, equation 1. So I am going to write, that is 3xy square minus y cube into dx minus this value is 2x square y minus xy square into dy is equal to 0. So if I multiply with this one integrating factor, then see, this is 1 by x square y square, and here this is 1 by x square y square. So this is going to become an exact differential equation. So here if I divide each and every term, so this is 3xy square by this value is x square y square minus this value is y cube by the value here is x square y square into dx minus this value is 2x square y by x square y square minus xy square by this value is x square y square into dy is equal to 0. So if I cancel, see, if I cancel, so x for one time and y square, then this will be 3 by x. So if I cancel y square and what remains here, this is y by x square into this value is dx minus 2 by x square and y for one time. So this will be 2 by y, and if I cancel x for one time and y square, so this is going to become 1 by x into dy is equal to 0. So after multiplying, this equation is nothing but an exact differential equation. If it's an exact differential equation, what is the solution? So the solution formula is also very easy as, so integral m dx plus the terms independent of x or the terms not containing x. The terms not containing x in n of dy, which is equal to c. And see, now this is what is m here, this is m, this value is nothing but 3 by x square minus y by x square into dx minus or plus the terms not containing x. There is x term here and there is a term which is not containing x. 2y is equal to c, and therefore so this value is nothing but 3 log x. So minus 1 by x square is plus 1 by x, y by x minus 2 log y is equal to c. So this value is going to become log x cube minus log y square plus this value is y by x is equal to c. So this can be written as log x cube by y square plus the value y by x is equal to c. So this is the solution for the given differential equation. So this is how we have to solve, and this is the method here. And the second question is also so simple, very easy. And see, this is the second question. So here also this is of the form m dx plus n dy. So if you observe this one, what is m and what is n? So this equation, so we have to consider this as m dy plus n dy is equal to 0. This value is m and this value is n. So what is m here? So m is nothing but, so this value is x square y minus 2xy square, and what is n here? This is minus x cube minus of minus plus 3x square y. So if I consider dou m by dou y, see here, if I consider dou m by dou y, so y it is 1x square, so this will be minus 4xy. What will be dou n by dou x? So this is minus 3x square plus 6xy. So if you observe both, then we say that dou m by dou y not equals to dou n by dou x. Clearly, dou m by dou y is not equal to dou n by dou x. The equation is a non-exact equation, non-exact differential equation. If it's a non-exact differential equation, what we have to do? So we have to observe the question here throughout. Throughout, if you observe, it's a homogeneous differential equation. That is, there are three variables here, three variables, 3 and 3, uniformly distributed. If it is non-exact differential equation and a homogeneous differential equation, we are going to choose 1 by mx plus ny as an integrating factor. For that, I am calculating mx plus ny. So here, this will be m. What is m here? So this value is m. So this is mx m into x, that is x square y minus 2xy square plus y times of, this is minus x cube plus 3x square y. So if I multiply, this will be x cube y minus 2x square y square minus x cube y, and this value is going to become 3x square y square. So here if I cancel these two, and 3 minus 2 value here is one time, that is x square y square. Now what is our integrating factor? So our integrating factor is nothing but, if integrating factor is nothing but 1 by mx plus ny, which is equal to 1 by x square y square. Now if I multiply equation 1 with integrating factor, this non-exact differential equation is going to become non-exact differential going to become an exact differential equation. Now let's see what is equation 1 here. So this is nothing but the equation 1. So this is equation 1, and now I'm going to write this equation 1 as, see here, this is equation 1. Please follow. X square y minus 2xy square dx plus, if I multiply with minus inside, this will be minus x cube plus 3x square y into dy is equal to 0. So this is equation 1. So if I multiply with the integrating factor, so equation 1 into integrating factor is 1 by x square y square, and here 1 by x square y square. And now this equation is an exact differential equation after multiplying. So if I balance here this one, so this is going to become x square y by, this value is x square y square, minus 2xy square by, this value is x square y square dx, and this is minus x cube by, this value is x square y square, plus 3x square y by, this value is x square y square into dy is equal to 0, is equal to 0. So if I cancel x square and y for one time, so this is going to become 1 by y. So here if I cancel for one time, y square also for one time, this is going to become 2 by x into dx plus, so if I cancel x square, so this is going to become minus x by y square, and this value is 3 by, the value here is y. So if I cancel these two and y for one time, so this is going to become an exact differential equation. Now if it's an exact differential equation, so what is the solution for this? So if it's an exact differential equation, so the solution for this is nothing but, see, let me tell you. So integral m dx, so integral m dx plus the terms not containing x, not containing x in n of dy is equal to c. See, what is m here? So this is m here. So this is going to become 1 by y minus 2 by x into dx plus the terms not containing x. There is x here, leave it. And this is 3 by y dy is equal to c. So 1 by y, so it's a constant. So 1 by y, if we keep it aside, so integral 1 dx is nothing but x minus 2 log x plus this value is 3 log y is equal to c. So this is going to become y by x plus, so this can be written as log y cube minus, so this minus log a minus log b is log a by b. So this value is x square. So which is equal to c, and this is the differential equation, or else you can take another step here as let me show you, so don't get confused. So here this will be like, so this is nothing but log x square plus log, this value is y cube is equal to c. Y cube is equal to c, and this is x by y plus log y cube minus log x square is equal to c. Log a minus log b is nothing but log a by b, and this is the required solution. So this is the solution for the given differential equation. So as it is very simple, so you have to follow each and every step here. Whenever it is a non-exact and a homogeneous differential equation, we are going to choose the integrating factor as 1 by mx plus ny. And the next third question here is xy dx minus x square plus 2y square dy is equal to 0. As you can observe that if the equation is of the form m dx plus n dy, so this is m value and this is n value. What is our m value here? That is xy. And what is our n value here? This is minus x square minus 2y square minus 2y square. So if I make a derivative with respect to y for m, that is dou m by dou y. So y value is 1, x remains. And what is dou n by dou x? If it is dou n by dou x, this value is going to become 2x. So clearly dou m by dou y value not equals dou n by dou x. Both are not equal. So dou m by dou y value not equal to, this is dou n by dou x. The equation is non-exact differential equation. So as it is a non-exact differential equation, so we have to go with the solution type. So there are five types here. So we have to observe the question throughout. So there are two variables here, two variables here, two variables. As it is a homogeneous differential equation, so if it is non-exact and homogeneous, we are going to use the integrating factor 1 by mx plus ny. For that, we are going to calculate mx plus ny. So if I calculate mx plus ny, see what happens here. So this is m here, m into x. So m into x plus n into y. So this value is minus y square minus 2y square. So this is going to become x square y minus x square y minus 2y cube. So if I cancel these two, and our integrating factor is nothing but 1 by this value is mx plus ny, which is equal to 1 by minus 2y cube. This value is nothing but minus 2. This value is minus 2y cube. Now I am going to multiply equation 1 with the integrating factor. So if I multiply equation 1 with the integrating factor, this non-exact differential equation is going to become an exact differential equation. So if it's an exact differential equation, what is equation 1 here? So let me show you. This is equation 1. See, please follow this equation 1, as this is xy into dx minus this value is x square plus 2y square dy is equal to 0. So if I multiply this equation 1 with the integrating factor, what is the integrating factor? 1 by mx plus ny. So if I multiply minus 2y cube, and this is again minus 2y cube. So this equation is going to become an exact differential equation. So here, so if I calculate, so if I cancel and simplify, so this is going to become x by minus 2y square into dx, minus into minus plus, so each and every term. So this value is x square, this value is 2y cube, and this value is plus 2 got cancelled. This is 1 by y dy is equal to 0, and this value is nothing but an exact differential equation. If it's an exact differential equation, what is the solution here? The solution is nothing but integral m dx plus the terms not containing x in n of dy is equal to c. The terms not containing. So here, what is m here? M is nothing but x by minus 2y square dx. The terms not containing, there is x here, leave it, and there is one term, that is 1 by y, which is not containing x. So for x, the derivative integration here is x square by 2. This minus 2y square will be like that, and this is log y, which is equal to c. So this can be written as minus x square by 4y square plus log y is equal to c. So if I take 4y square common, this will be minus x square plus 4y into 4y square is equal to c. So if I write it properly, this will be 4y square log y minus x square. So if I send it like this is 4y square c. So again, if you observe, this is 4y square log y minus x square is equal to 4 into c is again a constant, c into y square. So this is our final answer, and this is how we have to solve, and hope you guys understand. So I have made two videos on this topic, that is using the integrating factor 1 by mx plus ny. So if you follow both the videos, then you will be getting a clarity on how to do and how to solve the rest of the questions, and definitely it will be very useful. And go to the playlist and search all the topics. So many topics are already uploaded, and avail those. So many solutions are ready for your preparation. And if you really like, raise your thumb, pass it on to your friend, and subscribe to this channel and stay connected. Thank you so much for watching and staying till the end.